gusts up to 20 knots. Sea 6 to 9 feet. A chance of showers in the evening. The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kennebec County in south-central Maine, Saginaw County in south-central Maine, western Lincoln County in south-central Maine, until 11:45 a.m. At 10:39 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Georgetown, or near Boot Bay Harbor, and moving north at 55 miles per hour. Some locations in the warning include but are not limited to Bath, Woolwich, Wiscasset, Litchfield, Gardiner, Farmingdale, Hallowell, Augusta, Winthrop, Manchester, Belgrade, and Oakland. Here is the forecast for coastal waters from Schoodic Point to Stonington, out 25 nautical miles.